Hi, this is Ben Parojcic, your real estate sales professional, and welcome to your Real Estate Market Minute. Today I wanted to talk about my magnificent 7, the 7 most frequently asked questions I get during a real estate transaction. The number one question is, what is escrow? Well, escrow quite simply is the neutral third party that holds the money and the documents for a transaction until every contingency in the contract has been fulfilled, and then they transfer the money to the seller and the title to the buyer. And that is quite simply what escrow is. Usually the title company is the escrow company. Number 2, what is earnest money? Earnest money is really just the good faith deposit that a buyer puts down to hold the house while the buyer is going through the inspection process and the financing process. Now, if something should go wrong with inspection or financing, the buyer is entitled to get that money back. Number 3, how long is it going to take to get my loan? Well, the loan process usually takes between 30 and 45 days, depending on how busy your lender is and how strong your qualifications are. Number 4, what is PMI and how do I avoid it? PMI is private mortgage insurance, and that's something that the buyer pays to insure the lender against default. And the way to avoid it is to put 20% down. By putting 20% down, you eliminate the private mortgage insurance requirement. Number 5, what are discount points? Discount points are basically prepaid interest. 1 point equals 1% of your mortgage amount. So if your mortgage is $200,000, 1 point equals $2,000. And if a buyer goes ahead and pays a point, what it does, it lowers the interest rate from, let's say, 5% to 4.9%. Number 6, when do I transfer utilities into my name? I always say call the utility companies, the gas and the electric company, 1 week before transfer, and let them know when the transfer date is and that you want those utilities in your name by that date, because you don't want an interruption in service. That causes a big hassle for you. Now, the water and sewer, slightly different. You literally have to wait about 1 business day after transfer to get the water and sewer put into your name. And number 7 is, do I owe federal income taxes on the sale of my home? And thankfully, for now, the answer is no. You do not owe federal income taxes on the sale of your home as long as it is your primary residence, which means that you have lived there for the last 2 years. There's no income tax. And those are my 7 most frequently asked questions during a real estate transaction. I hope you found this informative. If you did, remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. This is Ben Parojcic with Remax Beyond 2000, and I'll talk to you soon.